Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hamil Shimbarim. I'm studying in class 10 at Maurang RMSA Secondary School. I'm going to present the smartest way of irrigation system. Nowadays, as we can see, that many people are giving their best effort, are giving their best effort to maintain the correct amount of water requirement to the plants. But despite their effort, they might forget to water their plants, which ultimately result in its poor growth. So therefore, to solve this problem, I'm introducing this smart irrigation system that we have developed as a group. So to continue with this presentation, I would like to share some of the components of this innovation. The smart irrigation system can be built without an Arduino, but using components like water pump, soil soil moisture sensor, motor, wire, battery, and pipe. So let us discuss how it is processing. The system detects the soil dryness with with the help of the sensor, and if the moisture is low, it's triggered the pump to water the plant until the soil is sufficiently wet. So now I'll hand over to Jeremiah for explaining the connection of this module.
In this model, we have the soil moisture sensor, the sensor module, the motor driver module, the buzzer, the motor, the battery, and the wires. In this model, first of all, we connect the soil moisture sensor to the sensor module, and from the sensor module to the motor driver module. And in the motor driver module, there are three ways we connect the number one. This part we connect the buzzer, and the another we connect the mini pump, and this other part we connect the battery to supply the power. And I will show how does it work. When we put the soil sensor in the dry soil, the buzzers make the sound, and if we put the soil moisture sensor in the wet soil, the buzzers stop making the sound, and we put it again in the soil which is not wet, the buzzer makes sound, and the motor gives the water flow. Now I will show how do it work. If the soil moisture sensor is in the dry soil, the buzzers start making sound, and the motor start giving the water. And if we put in the wet soil, the water stop giving the motor stop giving the water. And that's all. Thank you.